Okay, so hello guys, welcome to guylove1987's video. Today we're playing Tuesday, the tornado chaser games that we're gonna play. Okay, it's hello. Oh, daily rewards. Wait. Wait, no. Yes, spin. Spin. Nah, god damn, bro. Bro, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me, bro. Help me. I can't do anything. Bruh. Oh. Okay. Wait. Back. Oh. There's any toy. Wait. We found one. There's one. I knew it. No. No. It doesn't? Okay. Oh my god. Warehouse equipment. Wait. You can only equip one? Wait. Oh, my money. Actually. Wait. Whoa! Upload 65. I know that. Let's speed or not. Let's find out. Dude. Oh. Where am I? Where? Oh. There's tornado there. Open lights. Let's go! What? Wait. Kind of fast. Wait, it's fast. It's fast. Wait. There's some cars here. Wait, yes, the back, yes, the back. The back has tornado. Wait, that tornado? Is that a tornado, I think? Is that right? I'm right. Wait. Here we go, boys. Here we go. There's a tornado. Is that F1 or F2? F1 or F2? That's the question. Hey, boy. As these go. God, Bro! What F is that? I'm confused. I'm actually confused. I'm in here? Dude! Drop it! Dude. Boy. Wait. Hey, boy. Boy. I saw it. I knew it. Wait. I saw the smoke. saw it. I literally saw it. Wait. Is that EF5? Boys. Is that EF5? I think yes. Yes or no? Boy, we actually see EF5 with the EF4. Boys, we're cooked. No. You gotta be kidding me, right? This little piece of dark, bro. So dark. Bro. It was right in front of us. It was right in front of us. Oh my god! Bro! It was in front of us. I knew. I always knew it was there. God, bro. I got 2 minutes. Okay. Maybe it's go on the road. That sound. Like that. Please, bro. Please. Get something. This video, we need to get something. God, bro. It's heading up. Download. Okay. Go. God, bro. Bro, it's keep heading up. Wait, boys, we saw something, boys, we saw something. Okay, this is fun. This is actually fun, bro, we actually heading to a tornado. Dude, is that what I think? The worst nightmare? EF2? Is that right? Am I right? Sorry guys. I saw it. Hey bro. A tree? What? A whole tree? Wait, the tree broke our car. What the? God, bro. Sir, the viewers, sorry if we didn't get any gameplay at all because I'm gonna suck at this. Wait, is that dumb one? I want that, dude. I've been dreaming we were dumb one like years. Wait. Oh, you gotta be kidding. If tornado. I was an idiot. Dude! Wait, where am I? Wait, where am I? down here. Okay, this video is end, so goodbye.